Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple posts on Instagram all at once. So let's go ahead and open up our Instagram account here. And this is just an old account that I had for a class that I was taking. And let's say I want to delete a lot of these posts. Well, I can do it all in one go without having to click through it individually and deleting one at a time. And to do this, we are going to go ahead and select the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. Then we want to go to where it says your activity. And then in here, we want to go ahead and tap on where it says photos and videos. Now, if you have a mixture of videos and posts and reels, you might have to go through each one of these. For right now, I'm just going to go to posts, and I can see all of my posts ordered from newest to oldest. And if I want to, I can sort it in a different way. But in order to go ahead and delete these, to bulk delete them, I'm going to go ahead and tap on select, and then I can tap on all of the photos, all of the posts that I want to get rid of. Then right down here on the bottom right, I can select where it says delete 6, right? Where it says delete 6 here. It's going to ask me if I'm sure that I want to go ahead and delete these. I want to say yes, right? Delete it. And now every single one of those posts were deleted all in one go. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.